So hello everyone, welcome to this video where you will learn how to create an ABC ID. Okay, so to create an ABC ID you should have a DigiLocker account first. All right, so in this video we will create a DigiLocker account first and then we'll create a ABC ID. So you can open any browser. I'm using here Chrome. In the address you can type digilocker.gov.in. okay, digilocker.gov.in, then press enter. When you press enter, there is a sign in and sign up option. If you already have a DigiLocker account, you'll go for sign in. If you don't have, then you'll go for sign up. Okay, so here we will create sign up. So click on sign up. When you click on sign up, it will ask your details, okay, for DigiLocker account. So you can type your full name here. Make sure you type your full name correctly. Okay, make sure you type all your details correctly. You type your full name and then you select your date of birth. Here from the drop down menu you can select your date of birth correctly. Okay, don't make a mistake here. After that you can select your gender, male or female, then your mobile number. You can type your mobile number here. After typing the mobile number you can type your email ID. After typing your email ID, you have to set a 6-digit PIN. Okay, so this 6-digit PIN you will require when you sign into DigiLocker account. So you can type any number, but make sure you don't forget that number, 6-digit number, and then click on submit. When you click on submit, you will get an OTP in your mobile number. All right, so you can enter that OTP here. Then click on submit. When you click on submit, it will ask your Aadhaar number. Okay, so you can enter your Aadhaar number here. Again, make sure you type your Aadhaar number correctly. After typing your Aadhaar number, you can click next. When you click next, it will ask an OTP. Okay, so you will get an OTP in your number which is linked with Aadhaar. Okay, so make sure your number should be linked with your Aadhaar card. So after typing the OTP, you click on submit. So this is how you can create an DigiLocker account. Okay, it's very easy. Now we have created a DigiLocker account. So now we will create an ABC ID. So as you can see this pop-up screen, right, become a part of academic bank of credit. Okay, so you can click on get now. Okay, here you have to fill the details for ABC ID, or from the left side you can see here home, issued and search documents. From search documents, in the search box you can type academic. You can type academic, you will get academic bank of credit. It's the first one. You can click on that. When you click on that, you will land in this page again. Okay, or from home tab you can see here new in DigiLocker. You can go to the extreme right side, the last one, that is the academic bank of credits. Okay, so that one you can click on that academic bank of credits. Here you have to fill the details for your ABC ID, your name, date of birth and gender. It's already there because we have created a DigiLocker account. Okay, identity type, you can select roll number. Since I am doing for NEHU students, okay, so as per the guidelines from NEHU, identity type should be roll number. Okay, so you can click on roll number, click on OK. Then identity value should be your NEHU roll number. Okay, not college roll number, should be your NEHU roll number. And then admission year, you can select which year you took admission in that particular college, in your college. So here I am doing 2021. Okay, so I will click on 2021 and then click OK. Institution name, you can click on that. You can search from the list accordingly. okay, whatever your university is. So I'm doing for Northeastern Hill University. So in the search box I will type North hyphen, then I will get Northeastern Hill University. Okay, if you type North, then in space Eastern, okay, you will not get Northeastern Hill University. Okay, so to make it easy, you just type North and then hyphen, you will get Northeastern Hill University. Click on that and then click OK. When you click on OK, and then this box here, it should be check. Okay, I provide my consent to DigiLocker account, should be check. Then click on, after that you click on get document. When you click on get document, your ABC ID is under process. It will take some second. Now your ABC ID is ready. Okay, as you can see on the screen, the first one. So from where you can get your ABC ID, from the left side you can see home issue documents. Okay, so from issue documents you will get your ABC ID. Okay, yeah, that is the first one. If you want to download your ABC ID also, you can download. On the right side there is a download icon. Okay, you can click on that download icon, and then you can click on PDF. Your ABC ID will be downloaded. Okay, so let's go to download folder. Here it will look something like this. Your ABC ID, your name, date of birth, gender, ABC ID, that is 12 digit. Okay, so now let's log out. You can click on the right side, there is a picture top right, you can click on log out and log out. Okay, so now we have log out. So let's go for sign in again. So you can sign in DigiLocker account with your mobile, okay, or with your Aadhaar. You can sign in with any. Okay, so here I'm doing with a mobile number. Okay, so you can enter your mobile number here, then click after that you click next. When you click next, remember we have set that six digit pin, right? So that 6-digit pin you have to enter here. So you can enter the 6-digit pin and then click on sign in. When you click on sign in, it will ask an OTP. Okay, you will get an OTP. You can enter that OTP here and then click submit. When you click on submit, it will ask a username. Okay, username, so you can type your name, you can type your surname. Okay, you can give a number as well. Okay, so I am doing here, click on submit. Okay, your username will be set to, sometimes it will show username already exists, so you can type your name, you can give any number, you can give your phone number, you can give your date of birth. Okay, after that your username will be set to whatever you have set, and then click on OK. When you click on OK, now we have we are in the home page of DigiLocker account. Okay, so from where you can get your ABC ID from, the left side you can click on issued documents. When you click on issued documents, the first one is your ABC ID. So this is how you can create an ABC ID. It's very easy. Okay, so this is all in this video. Thank you so much. Thank you.